I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about?
Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. As you can probably see from my very festive background, I did a Christmas inspired makeup look for you today. It is the one that you see right here. It is a red halo eye with a candy cane winged eyeliner and then a smoky green lower lash line. I really hope that you guys enjoy this video, and if you would like to see how to achieve this look, then just keep watching. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. I am feeling so Christmassy right now, as you can probably tell from my candy cane background. As you probably saw from the intro, I'm going to be doing a red halo eye with like sparkly white in the middle, and then a candy cane liner, as well as a green smoked out lower lash line. So it's going to be red and green with a candy cane in there. So hopefully that's what it ends up looking like. So I am going to start off with my eyes today, just in case I get any fallout on my cheeks. I just don't want to have to worry about that. So I'm going to start off with my eyes. So I'm going to prime my eyes using the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Magic Primer. I found this the other day when I was doing my James Charles video, and I really liked it. And I am going to be using James Charles's eyeshadows today, so I want to make sure that I have a good base down so that nothing looks patchy and weird. And if you guys have not seen that video, I will link it right up here for you. Needless to say, if you watched it, then you saw kind of what happened. I now know the right way to apply these eyeshadows, so it will not be a repeat of what happened in my last video. So to start off, I'm going to be using the color Mary in my crease, which is right here. So I'm going to put this in the inner and outer portion of my crease. So I'm actually going to pack it because I could already tell that it was getting a little bit patchy. So this might be one of the pressed pigment shades, which is totally fine, but that means I just have to apply it differently.
Although it's been said.
So I have that on now. I'm gonna take a clean brush and just go over the edges. Okay, so now to go in with the red eyeshadow, I'm gonna use this like small Eco Tools brush. I'm gonna dip into the color You're Kidding, which is the bright red. Tap off the excess. And I'm gonna put that in the same spots that we put the other shade. Okay, so I am packing that on the inner and outer corner.
Is there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about?
So what are some of your guys' favorite Christmas movies and like Christmas songs? I personally really like Charlie Brown Christmas is like one of my favorites. Polar Express is a movie that my family and I watch every single Christmas together. Usually on Christmas Eve, but sometimes we do it sooner because we get too excited. But we watch that every single year. And then for songs, I actually really like Pentatonics. So if you guys like Pentatonics, definitely leave a comment down below because I am obsessed with them and I love their Christmas albums. Like, they are just so good. I also like the animated Grinch movie, like the original Grinch, the animated one. I love that movie. It's so good. I'm also connecting the eyeshadow at the very top, and this is going to be a rounded eye look, so I'm just kind of rounding out the edges. I'm just gonna keep packing on the color until I'm like satisfied with the vibrancy of it. Christmas Eve will find me where the love light gleams. I'll be home for Christmas, if only in my dreams. So I'm gonna take some of my Maybelline, what is this? Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, and this is in the color 15 Fair. And where's my brush? And I'm gonna cut the crease with this. And if you do not know how to do a cut crease, I would strongly recommend checking out Raw Beauty Christy. She has some amazing tutorials on doing cut creases. That's basically how I learned how to do one. If it's not clear already, I'm pretty much obsessed with her. So now I'm just gonna tap out the concealer on the edges to make it look a little bit more blended. So for the haloed out portion of the eye, I'm gonna go in with the color Ring Light from James's palette, which is this one right here. And I think he uses this as a highlight. as well, but I'm gonna be using it as an eyeshadow today. Let's see how it looks without a setting spray. Yep, that looks like it's not gonna need one. Just gonna tap that over the concealer that we just put down. I think I need to put setting spray on my brush just to make it a little bit more vibrant. I've said vibrant like 6 times in this video already. Although the last time I did this with the James Charles eyeshadow, it totally like ruined the eyeshadow. So we will see if this is gonna mess everything up. Are you ready? Holy mackerel, it is beautiful. Okay, so now I'm going to very gently take a little bit more of that ring light color and tap that over the edges just to diffuse that harshness on the outer corners. Okay, so now comes the really scary part. Okay, hopefully I can do this. So I have 2 new eyeliners here. So this is the NYX White Liquid Liner in the color Blanc. And then I got the Vivid Brights liquid eyeliner from NYX. So is this pink or red? Oh my god, it's pink. I thought it was red. That's pink. Oh well, it'll get the job done. So I'm going to attempt to draw a white liner, like a big giant white wing on each eye, and then I'm gonna do like candy cane lines with this one. So hopefully I can do this. I've never done it before. I just was inspired by Robbie DeChristy's tutorial that she did a couple years ago. I'll insert a picture here. But I'm gonna try to recreate this and wish me luck. Hopefully I can do it.
Although it's been said.
Okay, well, do they match? Absolutely not. Now I gotta go in for the really hard part, which are the candy cane stripes. Oh my god. Does that look really bad? Oh no. Alright, well this eye definitely looks better than this one, so that's good enough for me to keep going. I think when I do the green lower lash line, it'll really bring everything together. Alright, let's move on to the skin. It was a good departure. Oh, we have to put lashes on. Okay, I'm gonna put my lashes on real quick. These are the Lily Lashes Miamis, and I will be right back. Okay, so it took me about 12.5 years to get these lashes on, but they are on, and they are a little cattywampus, but they look great. I probably should have done a thicker eyeliner because I just now realized that the Lily Lashes Miamis have a huge thick band. So it's hiding about half of my eyeliner that I just did, but that's okay because it doesn't look that great anyway. But you know what? I'm okay with it. Okay, so let's go ahead and move on to the skin. I'm gonna be using the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glue on my Jaclyn Hill 03 brush. I love this brush. I feel like it's been a while since I've done my skin on camera, so I was like, I'll just do it on camera today. Why not? I haven't done my whole like routine, my whole makeup routine in, I'm not kidding, maybe like 3 weeks. I don't know why. I haven't like gone anywhere that's like needed me to have like a full face of makeup on, which is really weird. And I guess I could do it for school, but let's be real, who's gonna do it for school? I'm so pale that this color, 201, is the fairest that Infallible Pro Glow goes, and this color is too dark for me. Like, that's how pale I am right now. Well, in every day of my life, basically. So I'm gonna use the same concealer that I used to cut my crease. Put it under my eyes. My concealer is way too dark for me right now too, but I'm gonna use my Real Technique sponge to blend that in. I wish I had somewhere to wear this. Like, I'm just gonna take this off and go to bed. Like, I really wish I had like a Christmas party or something to go to. Ooh, I am going to a Christmas party soon. Shout out to Brielle if you're watching. I will be attending your Christmas party, so maybe this is what I'll do for your party. It's a Christmas party. My best friend Brielle, she has a YouTube channel. I will link it down below. But she is having a Christmas party, and maybe this is the makeup that I will wear for that. What do you think, Brielle? Comment down below. My friend Brielle was actually the one that got me to start my makeup channel. She always said, Rach, you're so good at makeup, you should start your own channel. And she already had a channel, and I was so inspired by hers that I was like, I think I can probably do this. And I'm a film major in college, so like I know how to edit and I know how to make videos. And so I was like, well, it's kind of a no-brainer. Like, I love making videos and I love makeup, so why not just have my own channel? She's like my #1 fan. I love her so much. Brielle, if you are watching, I am dying to do a video with you. When you're home next, we have to do a makeup tutorial together, or maybe like a get ready with me together. Go ahead and check out her channel. The link is below. So I'm gonna do my eyebrows really quick, and then when I come back, they will be done. Okay, bye. Okay, so my eyebrows are now done. They are looking very intense. I'm not really sure why. Probably because I did them super quickly. I think I'm gonna do my face next. I'm using the JH02 and then my Subconscious Kat Von D contour powder. And I'm gonna put that on the perimeter. I've said this in a previous video, but my absolute favorite part of my routine is contouring because it makes me look skinnier and not nearly as like pale. For blush, I'm gonna be using the Flower Beauty blush in the color Sweet Pea. It's just like this mauve. I don't want it to be super intense because the eyes are pretty intense. So I'm just gonna do a little bit on the apples and then kind of run it back into my contour a little bit. Just to give me a little bit of rosiness. And to highlight, I think I'm actually going to use that ring light color from James's palette because I've seen James do this and it looked beautiful on him. So, oh, that's really pretty. And down the center of my nose, my bridge, and then the tip, Cupid's bow. This is the E35. It is puny, and I'm going to take that on my brow bone. Oh, this is beautiful for brow bone highlight. Wowee. I'm gonna set the face now so that it just has a little bit of time to sink in. This is the NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray. So now that that is melting in, let's go ahead and finish off the eyes, and I am so excited for this part. So I'm gonna be going in with the color Daddy from James's palette, which is this dark green. It's like a true green. And I really wanna just like smoke this out like crazy, so that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so now that we have that green color on, I'm just gonna use that same brush and kind of smoke it out a tiny bit. It's like the perfect Christmas green. Now, I feel like I need to go in with this color. This color is the color Guac. I mean, could this get any prettier, honestly? Honestly, look at that. I think I might just like layer that over this green. Let's just see if it would even show up. Here we go. This is stunning. I'm gonna throw some white eyeliner in my waterline. Okay, I lied. I'm actually gonna put black in my waterline because the white was just looking a little bit weird. If I had like a green eyeliner, I would put that in, but I just don't have a green. I'm gonna put some of that ring light shade in my inner corner. Okay, so the last thing is lips. I can't believe we are almost done. Okay, I'm gonna be using the Jouer lip topper in the color Skinny Dip. It doesn't really have that much of a color. It's just like a sparkly gloss. Oh, and it smells like funfetti frosting, which is another reason to use it. So I'm gonna put this on. I literally want to eat this. It smells so good. Oh, it smells like funfetti. Oh, I love cake. Okay. Wow, I look so Christmassy right now. It's actually insane. All right, everyone, so that wraps up this festive Christmas makeup look. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I upload videos whenever I can. Finals are almost over, which means it is almost winter break, which means I'll be able to upload more videos as soon as school is done for the semester. And I have a couple more videos in mind. I have a couple more ideas, so that will be coming to you guys shortly. Again, don't forget to subscribe. It would mean so much to me if you guys would follow along my journey. I love connecting with you guys. So in lieu of the Christmas season, go ahead and leave like your favorite Christmas movie or your favorite Christmas song down below. I love reading your guys' comments. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys on my next video. I'm feeling friendly. I'm gonna prime my eyes using the, what is this? The eyeshadow. I'm gonna prime my eyes using the, what is this? Oh my god, what is this? What brand is this? Oh, okay. What are some of your guys' like favorite like Halloween? Oh my god. What month am I in? Should I need to, okay, hold on. So I'm just gonna put this on. I haven't done my like full, what the hell is this? There's something in my makeup and I don't know what it is and I don't appreciate it. What is that? Is it dust? Ew.
Although it's been said many times, many ways. Merry Christmas.